Africans for Elephants initiative is a fundraising basically idea whereby every time as Africans for Elephants we do an event, we raise money for elephant conservation.
Our mission of the company is we don't just sell paints, but we transform a lifestyle and care for environment and community care. I can promise you that we are going to spend the money and we're going to continue working with Grace to save this beautiful animal for Kenya and for Africa. Thank you very much.
So grateful towards Crown Paint for even considering this event and for approaching Grace to do this event. It's so incredibly thoughtful of them, and I know that they want to work with us more in the future.